Welcome back to MathWits, guys. All right, by now you should have had a chance to use the explicit rule to find the nth term in a sequence. Now I'm going to show you how to use the recursive rule to find the nth term in a sequence. So what's the difference, you ask? Good question. So the difference is that the recursive rule is going to require one or more previous terms to find any future terms in a sequence. Does that make sense? Sounds complicated, but it's not. Let me show you. Okay, so here we're being asked to write the first four terms of the sequence defined by the recursive rule. F of n equals 2, f of n equals f of n minus 1 plus 3. So that's my recursive rule right there. And it also tells us that for each whole number, n has to be greater than 1. Okay? So simply put, for my very first one, it told me that f of 1 equals 2. Great. So let's put that in there since it's already given me that. F of 1 equals 2. Well then, f of n is 2. Simple enough. Now, follow along here as I show you a very common mistake. Listen carefully. This is a very common mistake. People will say, okay, simple enough. My second term here, all I have to do is f of n minus 1 plus 3. Since my n here is 2, I'm going to put in a 2. And that'll be 2 minus 1, which is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. And that would be wrong. That would be wrong. That 2, plugging in that 2 in here would be wrong. Why, you ask? Good question. Let me show you exactly why that's wrong. Okay? The correct way to solve this is f of 2. Well, that means that I am going to plug in a 2 there. But f of n minus 1, which is 2 minus 1, right? 2 minus 1 is 1. So that's the one I want to plug in. So 1, the value of my first term, which is 2. So really, this equals 2 plus 3, which is 5. Make sense? Let's try the next one. F of 3 minus 1. Well, 3 minus 1 is 2. Once again, it's sending me to my previous term. Term 2. This refers to your term. So term 2 is equal to 5. Therefore, 5 plus 3 is 8. My third term has a value of 8. And the last one, f of 4 minus 1. Well, 4 minus 1 is 3. Go back to my third term. Third term is equal to 8. Therefore, 8 plus 3 equals 11. Okay? Hopefully that makes sense to you. Notice that when I'm doing f of 4 minus 1 or n minus 1, it's telling me what value I should plug in there. So 4 minus 1 is 3, so therefore I'm plugging the value in for my third term, which is 8. And that's what you see here, 8 plus 3, which is 11. And now you can see how easy it is to use the recursive rule. Now, you give it a shot. Thank you for coming to Math Quiz. See you next time. Goodbye. Welcome back, guys. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Welcome back to Math Quest. Well, by now you should have had chance. Okay. Welcome back to Math Quest. By now you should have had a chance. Welcome back. 1, 2, 3. Welcome back to Math Quest. By now you should have had a chance. You should have had a chance. You should have had a chance.